So we have a class with 10 boys and 20 girls in it, and the class has a test. And the mean mark is 60 for all of the class. For the girls, it's 54. And we're asked to work out the mean mark for the boys. Well, let's just remind ourselves that to calculate a mean, what you would do is you would find out the total number of marks, and you would divide it by the number of pupils that you were dealing with. Okay, so let's take the information we're given one piece at a time and see what we can do with it. So the mean mark for the class is 60. So for the class, 60 is, well, the total number of marks is the thing we don't know, but we do know the number of pupils. That's 30. And so in order to get the total number of marks in the class, I simply multiply both sides of this equation by 30. The 30s on the right cancel. That's rather the point of doing it. And I get, if I write it the other way around, the total number of marks in the class is, well, 3 times 6 is 18 with 2 zeros. So I get 1,800 marks. And what about for the girls? Well, for the girls, we can do a similar calculation. 54, which is the mean, is the total number of marks, which we don't know, over the number of girls. Well, there are 20 of those. And again, to calculate the total, we just multiply by the bottom, which in this case is 20. Again, the 20s cancel on the right. And again, writing it the other way around, I get that the total number of marks for the girls is 20 times 54. Well, I can do 2 times 54. 2 50s are 100, and 2 4s are 8, so that's 108. And so 20 times 54 is 1,080, which means I now know the total number of marks for the boys. Okay, or at least I can work it out. So here we go. Boys. The mean, which is what we're trying to find, is the total number of marks for the boys. That's 1,800 minus 1,080 all over. Well, how many boys are there? Just 10. And 1,800 minus 80 is the same as 800 minus 80 because the thousands go, and that is 720 over 10, and you just knock the 0 off the top because you're dividing by 10, and so the mean mark for the boys is 72. And we are done.